Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a compatible OS, internet, and admin access. First, decide whether you want Microsoft 365 or the standalone PowerPoint app. Your choice affects licensing and updates. Once decided, sign into your Microsoft account or create one. This links your license. Make sure to note which email you use for activation. While signed in, open your browser and go to Office Portal, so you're ready to download the installer in the next step. Now you download and install PowerPoint. Sign into account, Microsoft, COM and Open Services and Subscriptions, then choose Install Office. Pick 64-bit for most modern systems unless you need 32-bit for add-ins. Once the installer downloads, run it and accept prompts. Enter admin credentials if requested. The installer handles files and dependencies. Do not close it. After installation completes, launch PowerPoint. Sign in if prompted to activate, and let it sync templates and cloud settings so your files appear. Finish by activating and updating. Open PowerPoint and sign in with the licensed account. Activation usually runs automatically. Once active, go to File Account and click Update Options, then Update Now to get latest fixes. If PowerPoint won't activate, first sign out and sign back in, then check date/time and internet. If that fails, run the Office repair tool or uninstall and reinstall. One key tip: disable VPN or proxy temporarily. Network issues often block activation and downloads.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.